What's up, everybody? My name is Danny, and I'm a mobile auto detailer here in the City by the Bay, San Francisco, California. And today, I'm blessed to be on this video. I'm going to be showing you what my detailing rig looks like, how I pack it up, and throughout my job today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the tools or the chemicals that I use to help me get through the day efficiently. But before I do, if you'd like to find me online, you can follow me on Instagram at dannys.auto.detailing_, or you can get more information about me on my website, www.dannys-auto-detailing.com. I've been in the detailing game for about a year and a half now, just over a year and a half, and I detail out of my 2013 Honda Fit, GE8 for those who know. And right now I'm gonna give you a little walk around of the GE Fit, and then I'm going to do a time lapse of me loading up. All right, guys, so I'm here on this detail right now. I'm doing a complete interior exterior detail on this Hyundai Sonata. When I say complete, it's not a polish correction or anything like that, but it is going to be a clay and wax on the outside. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using to vacuum the car. Okay, so here is a 4-gallon rigid portable vac. It's got great power, it's small, and it fits in my Fit. And I purchased the car detailer's extension cord stuff with it. So if you're gonna get this, you wanna get the car detailer's extension pack or whatever it's called. Then I have a simple Black & Decker. It's a $50, $60 drill. It's not too expensive with rechargeable batteries. I've got a rotating drill brush here, which I might show you, but it's for basically getting dust up a little easier. And then for little crevices and just getting dust off the dash and little things, I've got this boar's head detail brush right here, which really helps and fits into little cracks and loosens things up so I can vacuum it. And I've got this carpet brush also that I use to kind of just manually release some dirt and dust from the carpets and seats and things. All right, so I'm gonna get started. Here we go. Vacuuming's done. Now I have to warm up my generator. I should have done it I wish I could have done it sooner, but I'm only on one electrical outlet right now. And I'm in an apartment complex right now where it's very peaceful, and the facilities people are giving me the vibe that it would probably be too loud for these neighbors and they'd want to kick me out of here. So I'm not using my generator right now. So I'm charging my steam cleaner, and while I'm charging my steam cleaner, I'm gonna be just killing some time by doing the door jams. Sometimes if you don't have the water set up right away, or if you're like myself, I don't have a water tank in my car, or things going where I can really just be self-sufficient. I'm using a 1-gallon pump sprayer and full of distilled water. It's just my default, and Optimum no rinse to do this. I use this for various reasons, and I also have some microfiber towels and kind of like a basic detailing brush to get inside these crevices here. This isn't that dirty, So I might just go straight to the microfiber towel in a second. But it does loosen up a lot of dirt. Okay, straight to the microfiber towel. And you're just basically wiping down the door jambs. And just being very meticulous. Okay, you gotta be very meticulous. For those really dirty jams where there's grease and I feel like getting them, I'll spray in some Super Clean diluted 5:1, which will help loosen up some of this grime. All right, guys, I'm about to clean this door panel right now, right here. Pretty straightforward, and I'm going to show you the tools that I'm going to use for that. So my chemical of choice is going to be Super Clean diluted 5:1. It's my go-to for all cleaning supplies. You can get a gallon of Super Clean for somewhere between $10 and $13 at AutoZone, and it's one of the least expensive. It's a degreaser, but I also use it as an all-purpose cleaner. Going to be using my steam cleaner, the McCullough 1385. That is going to take care of a lot of the cracks and crevices and things, loosen up. And then I'm also using this Scrub Ninja right here. It's really cool. You just put it in your hand and you just rub it on you just start cleaning, it's pretty dope. And then I also have a detail brush. I don't know exactly the brand, but it's a nice soft detail brush. So that's what I'm using. Some Super Clean on the brush, and I'm just getting in these little parts here, hard to get. Okay, so that does the basic, that does a good job. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my steam cleaner. Well, actually, I'll take a microfiber towel and just do an initial wipe. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, just kind of get most of that chemical off, clean up a lot of that dirt, just mopping up that dirt. All right, okay, that's good enough. If I have two hands, I'd usually do a little bit better job. And then now I'm going to steam clean. Now I'm going to take that detail brush again, and not that detail brush, this microfiber, and really get in there. All right, so I'm now going to show you how I shampoo the carpets and the tools that I'm using. What I'm using here is Super Clean diluted 5:1 as my carpet cleaner. I'm going to be using this drill brush with a couple of attachments. I'm going to be using the McCullough 1385 steam cleaner and the Aqua Pro Vac carpet extractor. Here we go. There's the result right there. All right, so guys, this is probably my time for now. I'm not going to share anything else because I really got to get on this detail, and I'm taking a little longer than I wanted to. But I wanted to thank Reyes, the entrepreneur, for putting me onto this channel and getting me out there. And it's really inspired me to get going on things even better. Again, if anybody wants to find me, I'm at Instagram. I'm on Instagram at dannys.auto.detailing_, and my website is www.dannys-auto-detailing.com. Thanks everybody, and here's the outro. That's it for me today, you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. If you've got any questions, comments, let me know. Thank you so much. I'm out.